Today we will look at the benefits of using a number line to solve addition, subtraction, multiplication and division problems. Labelled number lines support children in their understanding of addition and subtraction, showing how the numbers can increase and reduce. Children can initially start by counting on or back in ones up and down the number line. Progressing further, children can add or subtract numbers by partitioning the smaller number to get to a friendly 10, then adding and subtracting the remainder. Let's look at some examples. This first example shows children at the early stages of addition. They are counting on in ones, starting at 0, counting on to, in this example, 7, then adding 3 more jumps to get to the answer of 10. Children should be encouraged to write the number sentence so that they can link the pictorial with the abstract. In this next example, we are progressing from early addition to first level. At this stage, children should have a good understanding of partitioning numbers, particularly numbers to reach a friendly 10. In this example, the children will start their number line at the largest number, in this case 8, and will then partition the second number, in this case 7, into a 2 and a 5, as they will know they need to add on 2 to 8 to get to 10. From 10 they can now add the remaining part of 7, which is 5, leading them to their answer of 8 add on 7 is 15. Reinforcing the importance of reaching a friendly multiple of 10 will help support children as they progress to working with bigger, more difficult number problems. In this third example, we can see the benefits of using a labelled number line to solve subtraction problems. To solve 14 take away 6, start your number line at the highest number, in this case 14, and then partition the second number to enable you to count back to get to 10. In this example, partitioning the 6 into a 4 and a 2. Count back 4 from 14 to get to 10, and then subtract the remaining 2. This will show the answer of 14 take away 6 is 8. Blank or open number lines continue to provide children with a structure but allow them to progress on to working with larger, more difficult numbers. In this example, 35 add on 37, you begin by writing the number 35 at the start of the number line. The second number is partitioned into smaller, friendlier numbers to make it easier to add. In this example, 37 is partitioned into a 5, a 30 and a 2. Starting at 35, you jump on 5 to get to the nearest friendly multiple of 10, which is 40. You then add on in multiples of 10, in this case 40, jump on 30 equals 70. You then add on the remaining 2 to get to the answer of 35, add on 37 equals 72. Let's look at an example of using a number line to solve addition of two 3-digit numbers. In this example, we are going to solve the addition problem of 145 add on 338 using a number line. So you'll first draw your number line, and we're going to start with 338 as it is usually easier to start with the larger number. We're then going to partition a 5 into a 2 and a 3. If we add on 2, it will get us a friendly 10. So adding on 2 will take us to 338, add on 2 is 340. We're then going to add on our hundreds. We have got 100, so we're going to add on 100 onto 340, which will give us 440. We are then going to look at our tens. We have got 4 tens, so we're going to add on 40 onto that friendly number of 440. Which would give us 480, and we've already added on the 2 from the 5, so that remains, we've got 3 remaining. We'll add on our 3, which would give us 483. In this next example, we're going to look at using a blank or an open number line to solve subtraction problems, and we're going to look at solving them in 2 different ways. In this example, we're going to solve the sum 78 take away 43 using an open number line. In the first example, we'll draw a number line. We're going to use the counting back strategy. So we're going to start with 78. We're going to take away our 4 tens, which is 40, which would give you 38, and then take the remaining 3 away from your 43, which would give you an answer of 35. In our next example, we're going to look at counting forwards. Some people find counting back difficult. We're going to count forward. We're going to start with our smallest number, which is 43, and we're going to get to count on to 78. So adding on 7 to get to a friendly 10 of 50. Then adding on 20 to get to 70. And you want to reach 78. So you're then going to add on your remaining 8 to get to 78. And then you add up each of your jumps. 7, add on 20, and add on 8. You reach the same answer of 35.